फिजिकल फार्मास्यूटिक्स यूनिट 1 टॉप 100 MCQ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें ऐसा रोजाना 100 MCQ पाने के लिए। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द पार्टिकल साइज रेंज ऑफ कोलाइडल डिस्पर्जन इज 1 नैनोमीटर टू 1 माइक्रोमीटर। 2, मॉलिकुलर डिस्पर्जन हैव साइज आंसर लेस देन 1 नैनोमीटर। 3, सस्पेंशन इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ आंसर कोर्स डिस्पर्जन। 4, flocculation is a phenomena seen in answer suspension. Emulsion are thermodynamically answer unstable. 6, surfactants play the role of answer reducing surface tension. 7, ligand with multiple binding sites are called answer polydentate. 8, lyophobic colloids are also called as answer solvent heating. 9, Tyndall effect is exhibited by answer colloid. 10, lyophilic colloids are also known as answer solvent loving. Brownian movement is exhibited by answer colloid. 12, the reaction where the rate is independent of concentration of reactants is called dash dash order reaction. Answer 0. 13, accelerated stability studies help in predicting answer expiry date. 14, molecularity of reaction gets influenced by answer, it never change. 15, polymer solution are example of answer colloidal dispersion. 16, full form of BCS is answer biopharmaceutical classification system. 17, the coordination sphere is enclosed in brackets in formulas, for example species, and it include the central metal ion plus the coordination groups. Answer coordination. 18, the coordination chemistry, the donor atoms of a ligand is answer the atom in the ligand that shares an electron pair with the metals. 19, what is driving force of Fick's law? Answer concentration gradient. 20, phase inversion is exhibited by answer emulsion. 21, the formula of pharmaceutical dosage form refers to answer its constituent. 22, good manufacturing practice protocols in production of pharmaceutical dosage form occurs there answer potency, purity, and quality. 23, what is the best description of blood? Answer soul. Collide can. 24, collide can answer scatter light. 25, which of the following sweetener is 600 times sweetener than sucrose? Answer sucralose. 26, the labeled expiry date of a pharmaceutical product determines its shelf life and indicates the date answer beyond which it should not be dispensed. 27, the movement of liquid medium through a bed stationary charged particles under the influence of an applied potential difference known as answer electroosmosis. 28, association colloids are called as answer amphiphilic colloids. 29, a particle's continuous strike to each other and to the wall of container is known as answer Brownian motions. 30, when a electric field is applied on a colloidal dispersion, then the particle carried charge movement toward opposite electrons known as answer electrophoresis. 31, the amount of protective colloids in mg which prevent the coagulant of gold solution 10 ml when 1 ml of NaCl added to it. Answer gold number. 32, the phenomena of deposition of solid particles when oppositely charged electrolyzed on it. Answer Hardy-Schulze rule. 33, it is the process of converting a precipitate into colloidal dispersion by shaking it with dispersion medium in the presence of a small amount of peptizing agent is known as answer peptization. 34, the addition of lyophilic solution into lyophobic colloidal solution prevent a lyophobic solution form coagulation is known as answer protective actions. 35, an example of colloidal system is answer solution of soaps and protein. 36, solution of proteins and starch in water are example of colloidal type. Answer hydrophilic. 37, silica gel is an example for the type of gel. Answer rigid. 38, which of the following do not form colloid spontaneously? Answer lyophobic. 39, sulfur sol is an example of colloid colloidal type? Answer lyophobic. 40. Thixotropic type of behavior is shown in the gel. Answer bentonite. 41. In the determination of size, shape, and structure of colloidal particles, which one of the following can no used? आंसर अल्ट्रा माइक्रोस्कोप। और यहीं पे अगर फूज दे फॉलोइंग आर यूज्ड तो इसमें ये नीचे वाला आंसर हो जाएगा इलेक्ट्रो माइक्रोस्कोप इंस्ट्रूमेंट मेजरिंग लाइट स्कैटरिंग लेगम्योर फिल्म बैलेंस। 42. Surfactant solution are termed as association colloids when their concentration ion are answer more than CMC. CMC का full form critical micellar concentration, critical micellar concentration. 42. Name the type of colloidal dispersion to which electrolytes are normally added in small quantities to stabilize. Answer lipophilic. लाइफिल लाइफ सॉरी लाइपोफोबिक है। 42 का लाइपोफोबिक है। 43. Protective colloids do not answer lower the interfacial tension. 44. Which of the following colloids is difficult to prepare? Answer hydrophobic. 45. In high concentration electrolytes dist- destabilize a lyophilic solution by a process termed as answer salting house. 46. Which quality of the dispersed phase is responsible for the increased viscosity of the hydrophilic colloidal dispersion? Answer surface area. 47. Dispersion of acacia in water gives the colloidal of type. Answer negative. 48. Addition of alcohol to hydrophilic colloid leads to answer precipitation. 49. The critical value of zeta potential in millivolts for a stable colloid except gold is answer from 20 to 50. 50. If kinetic energy of interaction is about 25 kT, where k is constant, the system can be considered to have answer long half-life. 51. Informs the dispersed phase and dispersion medium respectively are answer gas and liquid. 52. The characteristics of lyophobic soul is that answer particles have high electric charge. 53. Hydrosol refers to a system in which the dispersed phase and dispersion medium respectively are answer solid and water. 54. Electrodialysis is used when impurities in our solution are electrolytes. Answer electrolytes. 55. Under ultramicroscope colloid particles appear as bright speaks against dark background. Answer bright speaks dark background. 56. Which one of the following properties is extensively applied for determining on molecular weight of polymer? Answer osmotic pressure. 57. Aerosol is the reverse of answer liquid form. 58. In the determination of gold number of a protective colloid, the end point is indicated by answer observing the color change. 59. The semi-permeable membrane used in hemodialysis is answer cellophane. 60. The stability of acacia in water is due to answer hydration of solid. 61. The molecular weight of dispersed solid in colloidal system can be determined using an instrument answer ultracentrifuge. 62. When the size of particle is less than 1 nanometer, it is called answer molecular dispersion. 63. The movement of colloidal particles through a liquid under an influence of electric field is called answer electrophoresis. 64. The potential difference develops when particles settle under the influence of gravity is called answer sedimentation potential. 65. When distance between the particles are large, the particles experience attractive force and aggregate are formed. This is known as answer secondary minimum. 66. According to Sulj-Hardy rule, the precipitating increase rapidly with presence of valence or charge of सॉरी फ्रेंड्स फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ इसको 66. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सूल हार्डी रूल द प्रेसिपिटेटिंग इंक्रीज रैपिडली विथ आंसर प्रेजेंस ऑफ वैलेंस और चार्ज ऑफ द आयंस. 67. A beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution. The path of light gets in illuminated this phenomena is known as answer Tyndall effect. 68. The continuous collision between the colloidal particles and molecules of dispersion medium produce zigzag movement of colloidal particles, which is known as answer Brownian movement. 69. The protective ability of colloid is measured as answer gold number. If the gold number is also, then the protective action will be answer more. 71. In soul, the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Answer solid and liquid. 72. Homogeneous phase, true solution having size range smaller than 0.01 micrometer. Answer 73. Heterogeneous phase, coarse dispersion having size range of answer 10 to 100 micrometer. 74. Stability of drug can be improved by answer addition of surface active agent. 75. Targeting of drug to specific organs can be achieved by answer liposome. 76. The following statement is appropriate for molecular dispersion does answer does not scatter light. 77. The following statement is not appropriate for molecular dispersion. Answer shows Tyndall effect. 78. The following statement is true for colloidal dispersion. Answer diffusion. B. Impermeable across semi-permeable membrane. C. Shows Tyndall effect. D. Settles on ultracentrifugation. ये चारों इसका आंसर होगा. 79. In dash colloids, dispersion particles have greater affinity to the dispersion medium. Answer lyophilic colloid. 79. Dispersion of a rubber or polystyrene in benzene or methyl ethyl ketone is referred to as answer lyophilic colloids. 80. Lyophobic colloids can be prepared by ये चारों उसका आंसर होगा ABCD. केमिकल मेथड, बी पेप्टाइजेशन मेथड, सी इलेक्ट्रिक एंड मेथड, डी अल्ट्रासोनिक मेथड. 81. A dash is mixture in which one substance is microscopically dispersed in soluble particles is suspended through another substance. Answer suspension. 82. Few colloids are translucent because of the answer Tyndall effect. 83. The comparatively fast sedimentation or rate of dispersed phase produced by means of gravity or other forces. This is characteristics of answer coarse dispersion. 84. The molecules in the molecular dispersion phase have size less than 1 nanometer. 85. The dash colloid have strong attraction towards solvent lyophilic. 86. Dash is the method of accountable for the development of stable dispersion of colloidal particles in dispersion medium and peptidization. The phenomena in which involves separation on micromolecular solution into two liquid layer is called as coacervation. 88. Each dash is directly proportional to the molecular weight of lyophilic colloid and turbidity. 89. Dash is the movement of dispersion medium below the impact of an electric field in the condition when movement of colloidal particles is prohibited with the help of appropriate membrane. Answer electromosis. Electromosis. Electroosmosis. 90. Dash is the method of combining negatively positive charged hydrophilic colloids. Answer coacervation. 91. When the size of particle is less than 1 nanometer, then it is called answer molecular dispersion. 92. Where does colloidal solution find application in answer in milk industries? 93. Which of the following form of colloid is considered to the strongest colloid? Answer solid sol. 94. Which of the following form of colloid is considered to the lightest form? Answer gaseous form. 95. What is called the dispersion phase? Answer it is the secondary layer in which the colloidal particles are dispersed. 96. What is the colloidal dispersion medium? Answer it is where the dispersed phase is suspended. 97. Informs the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are respectively answer gas and liquid. 98. In a dispersion system, the order of particle size is collider less than emulsion less than suspension. 99. Solution of proteins and starch in water are example of answer hydrophilic colloids. 100. The movement of charged particles through a liquid under the influence of an applied potential difference is known as answer electrophoresis. ऐसे ही और वीडियो को पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें, और कोई भी इशू हो तो कमेंट करें। बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कल फिर 100 MCQ के साथ।